Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the rear differential oil on Mitsubishi Outlander 2.2 diesel. This is the differential right there. There is a drain plug and a filler plug on it. This is the drain plug on the bottom and the filler plug on top. First we're going to open the filler plug. I'm going to use a wrench size 24. Next I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now we're going to wait for the oil to drain. Maybe we're going to open the filler plug and we're going to make the oil drain faster. Once the oil drains, we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Before I put the new oil into the differential, first I'm going to show you the oil type and capacity for this differential. It's 80W or 90W GL5 oil and it's about half a liter needed. This is the pump with which I'm going to pump the oil in there. I'm going to put that hose into the filler hole and this is the oil that I'm going to use, 80W GL5. I'm going to put my pump in there and I'm going to pump oil until oil starts to come out of the filler hole. Once oil starts to come out of the filler hole, that means that the oil is at the maximum level, so we can then remove the hose and put the filler plug back on. Here you can see oil started to come out of the filler hose, so now we're going to remove the hose and we're going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it. Once oil is coming out of the filler hole, that means that the oil is at maximum level, and once we tighten the filler plug, we're done with replacing the differential oil. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.